Hi children, how are you? Today we are going to study about our next lesson, conservation of plants and animals. We know that a varieties of plants and animals in our earth. Nowadays, a great variety of plants and animals exist on our earth. These plants and animals are very essential for the survival of mankind. Without these plants and animals, our life is impossible. All animals depend on plants for food. All animals depend on plants for food. During photosynthesis process, plants can make their own food in the presence of sunlight. So these plants are called producers. We including animals depend on plants for food. Without plants, our life is impossible in our earth. And plants are also control the carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere. During photosynthesis process, plants take in carbon dioxide gas and give out oxygen gas. But nowadays, decreasing the number of plants in our earth. What will happen? Yes, it increases in the carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere and produce more temperature in our earth. And it leads to global warming. So we should take care of our plants and also animals. In this lesson, we study about the conservation of plants and animals. What are the ways our government follow for the conservation of plants and animals? Let us start our class. What is deforestation? The cutting of plants and trees or clearing of the forest is called deforestation. And the land is used for making buildings. The land is converted into playground or play park, building, factories. And the trees are also used for making furniture. So these forest area are converted into then large factories. For building large factories and houses. What are the causes of deforestation? Yes, the deforestation, the main causes of deforestation is forest fire, soil pollution, and also it leads to severe droughts. Next one, consequences of deforestation. The deforestation increases in the atmospheric temperature and soil pollution in our earth. Atmospheric pollution in our earth. It increases in carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere. That is global warming. And the deforestation also affects the balance in nature. The deforestation is a major cause which changes in the soil properties. The physical properties of the soil get affected. The physical properties of the soil get affected by the plantation and vegetation. Nowadays, it increases in the cutting of trees and plants. It will increase in the soil erosion. Fewer trees and plants is a result in soil erosion. The removal of the top layer of the soil, it decreases in the amount of humus in the soil and it also affects in the growth of the plants. Gradually, the soil is converted into desert, that is desertification. It decreases in the soil fertility. And deforestation also leads water holding capacity in the soil. It decreases in the water holding capacity to the soil. The movement of water from the soil into the ground is reduced. So there are floods. The other properties of the soil textures and nutrients etc. are also reduced because of deforestation. So deforestation also affects all the environment and all the living organisms in our earth. We should save our trees and plants. We should not cut plants and trees. What is deforestation? The cutting of plants and trees or clearing of forests. The forest is converted into playground, play park, building factories and houses, etc. Then what are the causes of deforestation? Forest fire and severe droughts. Then consequences, soil erosion, increasing atmospheric pressure, atmospheric temperature, and also it leads into global warming. Okay dear children, today's our portion is over. The next class we will discuss the conservation of forest and wildlife. Everybody should read the textbook carefully. Your notes will send through the WhatsApp. Thank you children.